Dito na siya sa top. Guys, we almost reached the bus. Nag-ask me, sila nga. It's only 450 pesos. So we thought, it's 450. It's only 450, like 50. Nasa harap po kami ng Multicap. Papunta po kami ng Sunday po. Oh, very excited naman ang person. Biniyaan ako. Guys, we finally arrived at Sky Ranch. Lang Ferris wheel kay aircon. What a fun chill ride. And the pretty privilege is this, guys. Namin sa pinaka-last in line. Tapos, karoon namin sa... Just in a minute. Oh, what the fuck was that? Nasa airplane lang. Hi, girl. Guys, mabali na nila.
Kaya na po, pagtawid.
Haba.
Sige po.
Thank you. Salamat. Guys, kinaprayo mi dari guys. Marag dari na siguro mi mamuyo oy. Princess kay mi dari. Kami na last passenger gihatod pa gyud mi guys. Wala mi niya gihangyo nga.
Wait lang.
Ma'am, dito na lang kayo, ma'am.
Ang dami, bro.
Lagi ako bala. Huh? Guys, Cagayan nightlife party could never. What in the Pampanga City is this? Anong pinagsasabi mo dyan?
Ba't hindi siya natanggal?
The mess. The aftermath.
Ay, I know. Alam mo ba, hindi mo alam. O, di what? Ang may ganda.